Kinong yalam ka BJP ba Kynthoh uba amech kharkrang nongai Ktien ka party bat uba elhek MLA bat menteri hak sarkar MDA2 kila Kyntait ban Kynthoh ye halo ka Jingdawa ka Voice of the People Party baulat ka jela udai ban ai jingkran da ka Ktien English da ka Hindi ha ka sis dang ka dorbar mang tengka ka yeng dorbar thawai ka jela ka ban long ha ka khan ru trek rampang arajar sau nakaliang kini kinoyalam kiloong ba Ktien Hindi kade Ktien ri India bat omla ban persya ya ka bat ka BJP kamdon ju soper ya Ktien Hindi.
See, I don't want to make any comments on what the other political parties, they intend to do. It is not right also. But I feel Hindi is a national language, no? So how can we stop that? And for that matter, even English is a national language. So if you don't accept Hindi, or if you don't accept Hindi, then how do you accept English? See, so the thing is, these are two national languages which have been recognized. And apart from that, then other languages are the only local languages you can speak. So from our side, from the BJP side, we don't have any problem of speaking in Hindi.
But the translated copies are
Yeah, translation copies are there. Assembly Secretariat has already made all arrangements. For any excuse, you can't make it a political agenda for any excuse, for any reason. Somehow the other, you get some reason on and make a political agenda out of it. And I think so. Let's concentrate on development. That is what is required for our state, rather than talk about these kind of things.
And the Hindi is the official national language and also the official language. How you can say that we will go against the national language? This is their own opinion, their own issue. But if you ask me, the Hindi is the Rashtra Bhasha. They speak in all the assemblies in the state of the country. They speak in parliament. So this is the national language.